Alright, we're working on the 1992 Dodge Dakota LE. I put up brand new brake drums in the back on both sides. Brand new brake shoes under the drums. I did follow through with adjusting the brakes, and I think it turned out really good. So what we got going in, it looks like that. Got the summer wheels on now. Just use that to adjust the brakes with, you know, turning your star wheel with that. And then in order to get them tight enough, you just use something like I think it was this one, a screwdriver to hold the locking device. It's also the same thing that clicks up the star wheel when you're driving down the road. My neighbor across the street used to do a brake job, and then instead of doing that, he'd drive it in reverse and slam on the brakes multiple times until he felt that the brakes were working good enough. And I gotta admit, that looks pretty funny, especially when you're in a residential area with many houses close by. But he claimed that was the way to do it, but we'll do it this way, and then you won't have to do that. It'll be nicer. So, got that done. Got the front wheels on too. We're getting ready for summer here. And I did go ahead and pull the thermostat out down in there. Anyway, it's all put together back now, but. And then people go, well, why do you do that? Well, it's simple. Wintertime, minus 50. Summertime, 100 degrees above. A huge difference. Makes a huge difference on your engine. And I want mine to last a long time. Dang it anyway. I hate it when that happens. Looks like I need windshield wipers. Alright. Well, I wasn't going to take the truck out of the shop tonight anyway, although I would have. I need to get ready to go fencing again. That's why I'm trying to get after this truck. It'll be time to move the cows pretty soon. And this is my fencing truck. As you can tell, it's got all the stuff in it already. Comes in quite handy for that. The four-wheel drive works very nice for doing that. Some of the hills out there are pretty steep. Yeah. Even with that, I might end up having to walk some back and forth to the fence, because there's some areas out there that are pretty tough to get to. Although not in the pasture they're moving to, but the one they're in now. So I took the old drums and had them turned, and I put them in storage, so the next time something like this happens, I got a set of drums ready to go, and I only need to buy the shoes. I do things like that because I plan on keeping my truck for a very long time, and everything runs forever at Rudy Racing.